Hey everyone, today I have this cordless lawnmower. Let's open this box and see what we have. Here we have the lawnmower. Here we have the bag. So as you can see, the handle is attached and easy to set up. Okay, so here's the handle. You have those little clips over here. Make sure it's tight. There we go. Here we have the charger for the batteries. And if you're using 2 batteries, it's gonna last you up to 50 minutes, quarter of the acre. Okay, I'm gonna install the battery. There we go. So on the right side, you have the adjustable levels. Down. Okay, here we have the bag with all the grass. Really easy to get it out. And yep, push button. There we go. So as you can see, this lawnmower is very friendly, lightweight, easy to install, easy to use. So even my son can do it.